right, so in this video, we are going to practice adding and paying a bill. Now, this exercise is going to be on the right-hand side. It is part of the Fast and Easy QBO Starter Kit. If you're interested in learning more about it, go ahead and click on the link below in the description. But let's go ahead and dive right in and see what our scenario is today. Craig just received the bill from his bookkeeper, Bessie. He needs to add and pay the bill. So let's see what we need to do. First, we need to be in the sample company that is over here on the left-hand side. This is what the dashboard looks like. If you're not sure how to get into the sample company or get your own free QBOA account, be sure to click on the link below in the description. So first thing we need to do is enter the bill. We want to click on the plus new button and then click on bill. That is over here on the left-hand side. Click on that plus new, and then under vendors, you're going to find bill. Go ahead and click on that. Now you may get some pop-ups that show up for you here. Go ahead and click out of that if you do. And then let's go ahead and fill it out. In the vendor field, we're going to select Books by Bessie. That is over here. Click into that box, and you will see that Books by Bessie is close to the top. Go ahead and click on that. And when you do, all of her information will appear for you. We're going to leave the terms and bill date fields as is, but of course, in a real life scenario, you would want to adjust both as needed. The terms are right here, and then the bill date is right there. You'll note that QBO automatically populates the category and item details with information from the last bill you paid your vendor. Since this one is the same as last time, it's $75 for this legal professional fees for accounting. All we need to do at this point is save it. This is what the bill is for this time. That's what it was last time, and now it's the same exact thing. So all we need to do now is just save and close. So click the down arrow over here, and then you're going to select Save and Close. And now that bill has been saved. And now we need to record the payment of that bill. Go ahead and click on the plus new button and then click on Pay Bills. Again, that plus new button over here. Under Vendors, you're going to click Pay Bills this time. And you will see a number of bills show up for you. We need to make sure that the payment account field is showing as checking. Currently it shows as MasterCard, so just click the down arrow and then select checking. Now the payment date field we're going to leave as is, but of course in a real life scenario, you would adjust this to the date that the payment was made for this bill. Now we need to just click on the checkbox next to Books by Bessie. Go ahead and you will see it's this one right here. Click on that box, and you'll notice that as soon as you click that box, this payment amount, $75, which is the amount of the open balance, is going to automatically populate for you in QBO. So now we simply just need to click on the down arrow next to save and click Save and Close. So go ahead and click on that down arrow here and then select Save and Close. And now that bill has been marked as paid. Now, if you like this exercise and you want to learn a little bit more and maybe try out some other ones, be sure to check out the Fast and Easy QBO Starter Kit. Just go ahead and click again on that link below in the description, and I will see you in the next exercise.